we want to study about the modification of root. Here, modification of root that can be able to classified into two major category. One is called it as taproot modification and another one is called it as adventitious root modification. Normally the modification of root with the help of some of the functions, based on their function only the root that can be able to modified, based on their modification of root that can be able to classified into two major category. One is called it as storage root and another one is called it as breathing root. The taproot modification that can have the capacity to the root that can be able to store the some of the food material, that is called it as storage root. And another one is the root that can have the capacity to breathing, then only it is called it as a breathing root. Here storage roots are classified into three major category. One is called it as conical root, second one is called it as fusiform root, third one is called it as napiform root. Here conical root, fusiform root and napiform root as well as breathing root we want to study about in a elaborative manner. Here storage root, the root they can have the capacity to store the food. In a conical root, first of all the roots are look like a cone like structure. Here normally the carrot are look like a cone like structure. Conical root example carrot, the binomial name was carrot was Dacus carota. First thing, it can be look like a cone like structure, afterwards it can be broad at a base. Here there is a broadness, after it can be tapering towards the apex, then only it can be look like a cone like structure. A best example for the conical root is Dacus carota. Next one is fusiform root. Here fusiform root, some of the portion alone swollen, especially in a middle portion. Here there is a middle portion, that middle portion alone swollen, after the both the edges here as well as here they can be both the edges are tapering, then only it can becomes under the category fusiform root. For example, the binomial name of the radish is Raphanus sativus, it can becomes under the fusiform root. The third one is call it as napiform. Napiform means it can be look like a top like structure. Tamil we say pambaram. It is very broad and suddenly tapering like a tail at the apex. For example, beetroot. In a beetroot, a broad portion that can be able to present, after they can be the apex they can be look like a tail like structure. A good example for an apiform is beetroot. The binomial name of the beetroot is Beta vulgaris. These are the three classification that can be able to present in the storage root. After the last one is breathing root. The breathing root they can have the capacity to present in a one of the specific plants. For example, mangrove plants. The mangrove plants are otherwise called it as swampy land plants. For example, Avicennia, Rhizopora, Bruguiera, these are the some of the mangrove plants that can have the capacity to the root they cannot be capacity to breathe inside the soil, then only it can have the capacity the root that are upward in nature. The upwardness only the root they can have the capacity to breathe. In our characteristics of root, all the roots are comes under the positive zeotrophic in nature. Positive zeotrophic means the root that can have the capacity to towards to move inside the soil due to the gravitational force. But in case of a breathing root, they are negatively zeotrophic in nature, because for their respiration function only, the some of the Avicennia, Rhizopora and Bruguiera, some of the plants they can have the capacity to contain a breathing root, because the soils are normally saturation and aeration is very poor, because some of the swampy land they can be look like a muddy plus soil, that is call it as a saturated water. Then only it is called it as a swampy land. Then only the Avicennia, Rhizopora Then other mangrove plants, they have a breathing root. A large number of breathing pores that can be able to present here. Here there is a large number of breathing pores that can be able to present. The breathing pores are otherwise called it as nematophores. The main function of the nematophore is called it as exchange of gases. Due to the breathingness of the root, they easily exchange the gases for withstanding the plant. These are the small classification that can be able to present on their root modification.